how to have no name on Instagram highlights. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's dive into the video. So you must be wondering on how you can add highlights with no name. Right now in my highlights, you can see that there is a specific name for it. But if you want to remove this name and then add no name, then what you're going to do is simply head over to any of the preferred web browser. In the source bar, you need to search for empty character. Wait for a while for it to load. Now head over to the very first site, empty characters. Scroll down and over here, tap on copy to clipboard. Once you have copied, now head over to your Instagram. Tap and hold the highlights that you want to remove the name. Click on edit highlights. First of all, remove the name that you have set. Paste the thing that you have just copied before. Once done, tap on done at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, no name highlights has been created successfully. Likewise, you can create as many highlights as you want to and also have no name. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can have no name highlights on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.